In this lesson, I will teach you how to research using color filter. The basic idea behind using color filter is to do more precise research or narrow down the research. Let's see this example. Just open Google and type Google image search. Then click on the first link, Google image. Then type a sports car. Then you can see a lot of car on your screen. Suppose you want to select a car of particular color, then click on tools. Then you can see the color filter option. Click on down arrow. You can select any of the color. Let it be green. You can see on your screen all the car are of green color only. In this way, you can select any color of your choice. Let's select another example. Let's select red car. You can see all the car on your screen are red. These are also a kind of filter like wallpaper, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Audi. If you select any of this filter, it will show the car of that brand only. Let's select Audi. You can see all the cars of Audi on your screen. In this way, you can filter using color. Let's see another example. Type stadium. You can see a lot of image on your screen of a stadium. Then if you want to select the stadium of particular color, click on tools, then click on down arrow, then click on any color, like let it be yellow. You can see all the stadium on your screen are of yellowish color. You can change this color by clicking on color filter and select black and white. You can see on your screen the stadium of black and white color. You can select any other color, let it be a red. You can see the stadium on your screen of red color. In this way, you can use color filter. Remember, the color filter is not perfect, but it is very useful in a particular scenario. Explore more color filter by yourself.